Ernst game, I drop that song there again. It a do things. It turn up loud. Hey, and voice you know say, I'm rotten dude. Worst game, a worst nightmare.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Move! Hey, guys, today we're with Khago, yeah, man. Khago ratting it himself with Bimma boy. Yes, Bimma boy. What is it? Right off Shanstam. In bracket, right off Shanstam. Bimma boy. All right. All right. Good jump in the one and you hear the God of his one. Let's go, man.
The Bimma boy.
So we say what? 5 series them sport this up.
Zara the Bimma boy. Khago. Speed off in the Bimma and the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boy all pull up.
Yeah.
One press on the gas and the boy can't see me turn.
God, zoom.
Bimma boy no play.
Can't catch me on the free
The Bimma boy no take time. Take where them gal them a skyline. You know see it say ya dead boy them want pull up on the German mate. What?
As a Bimma driver myself.
If we don't really want you to again,
Hold on. As a Bimma driver myself. Me rate that song, yeah. Cause sometimes this is some boy want. I'm gonna step in a gas man, jump into that spot and step in a gas man.
Zara the Bimma boy.
Heel wheel.
Khago. Speed off in the Bimma and the 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boy all pull up. One press on the gas and the boy can't see me turn. Bimma boy no play.
Can't catch me on the free
The Bimma boy no take time. Take where them gal them a skyline. You know see it say ya dead boy them want pull up on the German mate.
What am I doing?
Watch yourself, little boy, just slow down round the corner before you get early grab. BMW we press on a bad man wagon where the jet of them call it, boy.
BMW we press and a bad man wagon where the jet of them call it.
BMW we press on a bad man wagon where the jet of them call it, boy. Swag we no touch ugly girl because the car them bad and a plush leather we stylish.
Man say we don't touch ugly girl. Yeah, we don't touch ugly girl. Cause the car bad, leather stylish. Mama have in the look stylish too. How with the black cloth?
we don't want you to again. If we don't really want you
How with the black cloth?
Bimma boy. Zara the Bimma boy. Khago. Speed off in the Bimma and the 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boy all pull up. One press on the gas and the boy can't see me turn. Bimma boy no play.
Can't catch me on the free
Bang bang. Worst gamer. I just bang bang. Khago, you know.
We don't want you to again.
The
Bimma
Bimma boy.
driver them out there. Beast.
A Bimma boy.
Yeah.
Zara the Bimma boy.
Again.
Khago.
Yeah.
Speed off in the Bimma and the 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿 boy all pull up.
Go one side with the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Move.
One press on the gas and the boy can't see me turn.
Zoom.
Bimma boy no play.
Can't catch me on the free
The Bimma boy no take time. Take where them gal them a skyline. You know see it say ya dead boy them want pull up on the German mate. Watch yourself, little boy, just slow down round the corner before you get early grab. BMW we press on a bad man wagon where the jet of them call it, boy. Swag we no touch ugly girl because the car them bad and a plush leather we stylish. Yes man no press no brakes, don't power. Everywhere the girl them see we them wow. Me fat 6 series and fat tech 6 and the fat 5 series and no plating wow. Boy get left around in that dose. They just open at them girlfriend tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, man, boy, they must say break like boy get left a road and I dust. Then we gone to them yard. No, them girl come out yard, cause we not sure we not gonna man yard. Yeah, them girl come out yard and we open at them stomach.
Them boy that them shut out too much, yeah. Pull up at the crossroad, just to left them in a dot, yeah. If I no be mommy blue Bentley, me get y'all plenty. Me girl room never empty. Girl when me lock down a junction, this man gets boy y'all pull up the back off of the thing, cause him seats at the thing too serious. Fuck Bimma pull up when I put rims for me. Man clean and basil and me Glock tuck for me. Yeah man I get room never empty. Girl when me lock down a junction, this man gets boy y'all pull up the back off of the thing, cause him seats at the thing too serious. Fuck Bimma.
Yeah, man, them pull up side of me, I never know say things serious. He's out. Ease. Handbrake. Hand bumper, claw brake. Handbrake.
I'll pull up the back off of the thing, cause him seats at the thing too serious. Fuck Bimma pull up when I put rims for me. Man clean and basil and me Glock tuck for me. Yeah, man, I get ya long time that normally. Yeah, dumb button and old folly. Son, yes, when you how the things set up. You better walk with your respect. Yo, James, you're red, you're hotter. I guess, man, I press and we no see us. We get left around in the doors, yeah. They just open at them y'all friends too much, yeah. Them boy that them shut out too much, yeah. Pull up at the crossroad, just to left them in a dot, yeah. If I no be mommy blue Bentley, we get y'all plenty. Me girl room never empty. 100 girl when me lock down a junction, empty. Bimma boy no play.
Bimma boy no play.
The Bimma boy no take time. Take where them gyal them a skyline. If I no be mommy blue Bentley, we get y'all plenty.
Yeah, man, big up all that Bimma driver them out there. And big up all of the G them have 4-wheel same, no matter what kind of car. Big up on yourself. Take time drive on the road. But when you see a Bimma, don't pull up. Don't fuck up. Don't try it. Because if you pull up on the wrong drive at the right time, you're in a trouble. I tell you that. You understand? Yeah. Then we Senegal reservoir. Senegal got big word, reservoir. Blood clot. I'm so proud of myself, big time. Reservoir. I never say refine, I say reservoir. Blood clot. Anyway, Khago, I'm going to pick up myself. Bad song. Yeah, man, bad song. Bang, bang. Boom, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Yeah, man, the song back to show, man.
Bang, bang. Worst game, man. I just bang, Khago, you know.
Obviously, that one half an album when they dropped a couple of years ago. Near 1 More Mile, where never get the traction it needed. Well, it should have gotten. So the G have the them song the same way. So big up yourself, my G. Keep on putting out the song them. Big up the people them who know say yo, them be my faster than any markets on the road. I mean, when the markets drive a forward in the comment section, come tell me no fuck, you know. You can't compete with the German whip. Like me say, the wrong drive at the right time, wanna get fucked. You hear that? Just know that. Get fucked. Yeah, straight fuckings. You know that? But yeah, big up on yourself though, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, up.
First game, I drop that song there again. It a do things. It turn up loud. Hey! Any voice you know say, alright, dude. Worst game, a worst nightmare.